Are you absolutely exhausted by the monthly scramble? You know, hunting down a stamp, writing out a check, and then just crossing your fingers that it actually arrives before the due date? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this explainer and completely eliminate the stress of paying your Optimum bill. Today, we're going to transform you from a stressed out mailer into a totally confident online payer, saving you time, money, and just a whole lot of unnecessary hassle. We've all been there, right? Let's talk about that super common frustration, the pure anxiety of a looming due date. There is nothing worse than that sinking feeling when you suddenly realize your bill is due tomorrow and the post office is already closed. Doing things the old school paper way isn't just painfully slow, it leaves you completely at the mercy of postal delays that are literally out of your control. And this right here is exactly why getting this sorted out matters so much. $10. Missing that crucial due date by just a couple of days triggers an automatic $10 late fee on your next bill. And oh, it gets worse. If you're rushing and accidentally bounce a paper check, Optimum will hit you with a returned check fee that can run you up to $30 depending on your state. That is real hard-earned money just evaporating from your pocket because of a clunky process. So, to make absolutely sure you never pay those annoying fees again, here's our game plan for today. We'll start with a quick intro to online payments, move into getting prepped, successfully navigating the website, walking through the step-by-step process, checking out alternative options, and finally, troubleshooting common issues. All right, part 1. Intro to online payments. Why even bother setting this up? Well, using the online portal is a total game changer. It is incredibly convenient because it gives you immediate processing. You hit submit, and boom, the pressure is instantly off. No wondering if the check got lost in the mail. But I know what some of you are probably thinking. Is my bank info actually safe? The answer is a massive yes. The Optimum system uses strict 128-bit encryption to lock your data down. You're getting all the speed of the digital age with literal bank-level security. Moving on to part 2, preparing to pay your bill. Before we start clicking around, let's gather a few essentials. It's kind of like prepping your ingredients before you cook. It just makes everything seamless. Grab your latest statement, either the paper copy or your welcome email. You are going to need your Optimum ID and password, your service zip code, and most importantly, your 14-digit account number. You'll usually find this right at the top of your bill. It looks like a zip code followed by a dash and a bunch of digits. Lastly, have your preferred payment method handy, whether that's a credit card, debit card, or your bank details. Got it all? Awesome! Okay, part 3. Navigating the Optimum website. Now listen closely because this next step protects you from some seriously common scams. Never, ever use a search engine like Google or Bing to just search for Optimum bill pay. I know, it's a total habit for all of us, but scammers actually buy premium ads on those search engines. They build fake lookalike websites designed to trick you. Always type optimum.net directly into the address bar at the very top of your browser. This sketchy tactic is called search engine phishing. These malicious portals look exactly like the real thing, but they're just traps built to silently capture your login info and steal your credit card details. By bypassing the search engines entirely and typing the URL yourself, you are putting up a massive shield over your personal data. It takes maybe 2 extra seconds, and it saves you a world of trouble. Let's get into part 4, the step-by-step payment process. All right, time to actually execute this payment. This is a beautifully frictionless 5-step process. First up, go to optimum.net and sign in with your Optimum ID. Second, look right there on your dashboard and click the button that says Pay Bill. Third, just verify your balance and enter the amount you want to pay. Fourth, choose your payment method from the dropdown or add a new card or bank account if you need to. And finally, step 5, just review the details and hit confirm. Seriously, you can securely punch in your info and verify the transaction in under 2 minutes flat. Next up, part 5, alternative payment options. Let's level up a bit and explore some other ways you can handle your balance, because flexibility is huge. If you don't have your login handy, or maybe you're paying a bill for a family member, QuickPay is a fantastic option. While the main authenticated portal gives you the whole shebang, history, statements, all that, QuickPay doesn't require a login at all. It relies strictly on that 14-digit account number and the zip code. It's a fast, super secure bridge for when you just need to get the bill handled right now. And hey, for those of you who prefer running your life straight from your phone, you can always use the My Optimum mobile app. You can grab it in your app store and it literally puts your entire account in the palm of your hand. You can check your Wi-Fi, look for outages, and of course, make those manual one-time payments with just a couple of taps. Okay, lean in for this one because this is hands down my favorite tip of the entire explainer, one that actually puts money back into your wallet. If you combine autopay, specifically linked to a checking or bank account, with paperless billing, Optimum actually rewards you with a $10 monthly discount. I mean, that's $120 a year you get to keep, just for automating something you already have to do anyway. Just jump into the billing preferences on your dashboard or the app to set it up. Absolute win-win. Finally, part 6, troubleshooting common issues. We are almost at the finish line, but let's cast a quick safety net just in case things don't go exactly to plan. Don't panic if you hit a roadblock. Technology can be weird, but these things are way easier to fix than you might think. Forgot your Optimum ID or password? It happens to the best of us. Just go to optimum.net/recover-ID and they'll text or email it right over. If the payment page is acting glitchy or won't load, double-check that your browser has JavaScript and cookies enabled. The site really needs those on to process things securely. And, if all else fails and you just want it handled immediately, you can always use their automated phone system at 866-237456. It takes checks or cards 24/7, and there's no added fee for using it. Quick heads up as we wrap things up, policies, fees, and websites naturally evolve over time. This explainer is based on information available at the time of creation, so definitely always refer directly to the official Optimum website for the absolute most up-to-date details for your specific account. So, what's the big takeaway here? Paying your bill online isn't just about dodging a silly $10 late fee. It's about taking total, secure control of your time and your money. From sidestepping search engine scammers to locking in that sweet autopay discount, you are officially a pro. If you found this explainer helpful and empowering, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step guides that make the complex stuff simple. And I'll leave you with this. After setting this up, what other sneaky, unnecessary fees in your life could you completely wipe out with just 5 minutes of digital automation? Think about it. Thanks for hanging out and learning with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.